water into people and to other areas. You and I, we both add it to our bath.
Absolutely.
We love soaking in the John Ellis water.
It's fabulous.
Put it in your hot tubs.
Put in everything.
Pools, whatever, right?
In the plants, in everything, right?
Exactly.
You can't go wrong.
Yeah, so life gives life, so this is what we can do.
Yeah.
A little here, a little there, add into it. Let's transform so many of the things around us, right?
Yeah,
So,
and we've already proven that it has other magical qualities, like the
Yes.
one where we tested with the microwave oven.
Right.
And we had grown those. You grew those seeds.
Mung bean seeds,
yeah,
yes.
to sprouts where we tried to put them in the microwave and fry them, but they still had the same energetic level coming out of there, even though they were like burnt to a crisp because of that John Ellis water, right?
Mm-hmm.
So just imagine what it's doing to our body. I mean, it's just like supercharging everything in our body. And it's erasing, if you think about the property of that water and being able to, basically it's kind of like, they call it 0 point. So that's basically taking the water back to the source.
Right.
Well, that would erase cellular memory in our body of bad things that have happened over time and that kind of stuff. If what they're saying is true, right? So, I mean, you just can't go wrong with that stuff. But that's also why if you go to eBay and you type in John Ellis water, and you look at the price that people are paying for it, there's people that are paying up to $165 a gallon, and you can see they've sold a lot of bottles, a lot of gallons. So somebody's paying for it. There's no way anybody would pay that kind of money, or even $100 a gallon, unless it actually did something amazing. So it's been around for 40 years. I mean, it's proven itself to be.
and that's maybe the price initially is kind of shocking to some people, but
it is.
Remember, I mean, you could drink it the whole thing by itself.
Yeah.
But
You don't have to. That's
don't
right.
have to.
Yeah.
You can make it worth your while, put it in your budget, and drink a little bit. Add it to whatever you have right now. And
Yeah.
like I say, it can help to clean these
And
things
if you
up.
think about some of the other water devices, like the alkaline water devices, I mean, what are one of those Kangen machines worth? They
$4,000
yeah,
to
$4,000 or
$5,000.
$5,000, something like that. And one of the things that I kind of annoys me a little bit is, you can buy it for that price, but then the first guy in line makes $1,000, next guy makes 500, next guy makes 250. By the time you're done, well, what was that thing actually worth? Because you paid out so many darn commissions, And then the other thing about the alkaline water and that device is, it's got a very small carbon filter in it. Well, John Ellis, if you go to John Ellis's website, you'll find information on those carbon filters. They really don't do that much. It's really about changing the hydrogen bonding angle, which is erasing the memory in the water. That's how you get rid of those frequencies. In one of John Ellis's video, he talks about the water in Philadelphia having 52 different chemicals in it. How do you get rid of those frequencies of those chemicals in the water? You've got to use something like John Ellis's machine to erase those frequencies. A carbon filter is not going to do it.
Right.